Hey guys, it's Ari here, and we are at our second stop. This is just a bunch of trees in like the forest. It's a really nice sight, so I'm gonna kind of do a little, as much as I can, of a, I don't know, tour kind of thing. But not a tour because I barely ever go here, but like just show you a bunch around the place. So I'm gonna get started with that. But there are some actually really cool plants in this place. I just think it's really cool how like there's all these different types of plants in the garden. I mean, it's a huge garden. It's probably like, I don't know, but it's big. But this is a pretty cool looking tree. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you around here. Sorry about the sun, it's really bright out today. This is a really cool looking one. I wonder what this one's called. Well, let me give you a look at what it looks like. It has like a bunch of little kind of like trees there. Okay, yep, I'm not going to try to pronounce that because I'm going to pronounce it horribly, but there's some really cool things. This is a little, I don't know, patch of bushes right here. But looks like there's been a fallen down tree right there. But it's a pretty tall one. Yeah, but as you can see, there's a lot of really cool things in the garden. But that's all. I just wanted to show you a bit around here. But yeah, if you did like it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.